Now let us start exercise 4.10. This exercise is based on difference and unlike fraction is also. So now same the process which we have done already in addition. Same the way step by step we have to do this type of the questions. So here is the solution of this question. Here is the greatest digit 7 है तो 6 से डिविजिबल नहीं हो रही है तो अपन ये वाला ही मेथड यूज़ करेंगे. So we are using this one method only to find our common multiple in between of them. What is the common multiple? Then after getting 42. Now 42 divide with this 7 also and this 6 also. Then you will get here 6 and 7. In 7 table 42 is coming 6 times, 6 table is coming 7 times. So first digit, first fraction will be multiply with this 6, second fraction multiply with this 7. After doing this process you have to make in like fraction में आ गया. Easily you can solve this 42 right one time. 24 minus 7 is equal to 17 upon 42. Next question. LCM of denominator 4 and 5. These are also different. They are not related with each other. So after getting the one common multiple, that is 20, divide this 20 to 4 also and 5 also. Then I got here 5 and 4. First fraction should be multiply this number. Second fraction should be multiply this 4 number. Then I get here 15 upon 20 like fraction and solve it. Then I got here 11 upon 20. C, 7 upon 10 and 3 upon 20. They are also not related. They are related. 10 and 20. 20 is coming in 10 table. So definitely your LCM will be 20. Okay. If you understand the short trick, you can do also with the directly short trick. 2 से multiply किया फिर 1 से किया. Then the process it's continuously. Then you got here 11 upon 20. Understand now how can you do this type of the questions? D, 7 upon 12 minus 1 upon 4. Now 12 or 4, 12 is a greater, so definitely 12 is coming in 4 table also. So definitely this 12 will be LCM. After doing this process, then you will get here 12 LCM of these two number. Now divide this 12 in 12 also and 4 also. Then you get here 1 and 3. So first fraction will be multiply this 1, second fraction will be multiply this 3, making a like fraction. Solve it, then you will get here 4 upon 12. This 4 upon 12 we can convert in lowest term also. This 4 upon 12 is coming in 4 table. 4 one time and 12 is coming 3 table. So that answer is 1 upon 3. Next one, 7 upon 8 and 5 upon 9. This and 8 and 9 are not related with each other. So we are taking LCM process. Getting 72 is a common multiple in between of them. Now we have to divide with 72 to 8 and 9 also respectively. Then we are getting what the digit. We have to multiply this first fraction to 9. Second fraction should be multiply this 8. After doing this kind of the process, making a like fraction, you know it how to solve it. This is the answer of E1. I have done till A, B, C, D, E. Now you have to do the remaining questions F, G, H, I and J.